Iyi gahunda y'iyamamazabuhinzi bworozi ikoresheje amashusho cyangwa se inkuru zikinnye mu buryo bwa video.
These videos are translated into local languages and dialects.
Different companies related to agriculture and breeding in Rwanda will go together in a workshop organized by the Scientific Animations Without Borders project sponsored by Purdue University, United States of America, in order to train farmers about agriculture and the process of keeping it to production. They intend to deliver all lectures and training through videos. The Deputy Director General in charge of Animal Resources, Research and Technology Transfer to Rwanda Agriculture Board and Animal Resources Development Board, Dr. Solange Uwituze, shared reflections about the workshop.
Iyi gahunda y'iyamamazabuhinzi bworozi ikoresheje amashusho.
This project of disseminating farming education through either videos or drama about agriculture will help us disseminate the information from the research to the public effortlessly, as some of them don't enjoy reading, especially farmers. They enjoy drama, film, and visual things.
Abahinzi n'aborozi ariko bakunda inkuru, bakunda amateatre, bakunda amafilime, bakunda mbese ibintu bigaragarira amaso.
We will focus on drama about creativity, disclosing how crops and animals should be treated professionally. Thus, the production will significantly increase thanks to that kind of tutorials.
Tuzamura icyo twita productivity, kuzamura umusaruro ku buso buhingwa cyangwa se umusaruro ku itungo runaka icyo kiganiro kizaba cyagenewe.
The expert in farming James Kamuye Katalo from Kenya highlights the benefits of disseminating agricultural education through social media.
This workshop, organized by the Rwanda Agricultural and Livestock Board, has been very, very good and helpful to the people of Rwanda and back to the people of Kenya, where I come from. And I want to testify that in Kenya we have worked with the SAWBO, and SAWBO is called the Scientific Animations Without Borders. It's an non-governmental organization that is attached to the Purdue University in the United States. Back in Kenya, we have worked with the SAWBO for the last 3 years, and we have seen SAWBO animation videos improve our agriculture. SAWBO videos are very easy to use. You can download them on your phone and even share with the friends over WhatsApp, over Twitter, over Facebook, and over Bluetooth. SAWBO videos can fit on smartphones, and they can fit on any cell phone that has a memory card, and then can be played from there. So I want to actually encourage our Rwandese brothers and farmers to embrace the use of these animation videos, because they are going to give them the benefits that we've been enjoying for the last 3 years in Kenya. These videos are translated into local languages and dialects. So in Kenya we have around 43 tribes. We have worked so hard to make sure that we have SAWBO videos translated into the 43 tribes, so that our farmers who are semi-literate and they do not understand English or other languages can listen and watch SAWBO videos in their local languages. We are doing the same way in Rwanda by translating these animation videos into Kinyarwanda and other local dialects that are found in Rwanda. We are going to make sure that we avail these videos in those local languages to all the farmers using the networks of extension officers that we have been training today. So I encourage our Rwandan brothers to embrace SAWBO, to embrace the animation videos and watch them and use the information to improve their agricultural practices.
This kind of training will help farmers get information about agriculture easily through videos using social media such as YouTube, WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, to help them get more and good production of their activities. It's a 2-day workshop that started on 15 March 2023 and brought together Minagri, RAB, private companies and media. This is ICYUZUZO TV reporting from Kigali.